Hello friends and fellow creators, a quick sketch today. It's coming up to that season of light and pretty shiny things, and I thought, let's do a quick sketch. I might start a series of just really quick short sketches to practice our drawing skills. As I was doing this drawing, I realised that I really should get some thin technical pens just to get those beautiful thin lines. But as I always say, let's make do with what we have. So I'm going to be drawing glass with some shiny baubles. Now, in order to get a symmetrical drawing, as you saw in the beginning, I drew a straight line and a line in the middle. So I was able to use the vertical and horizontal lines to get a nice symmetrical shape. So, as I often do, I'm starting with the midtones to separate the glass from the background itself. Once I've got my midtones and my very darkest tone, I'm going to build up the image with all the tones in between. In terms of colour and intensity, the baubles have some of the most vibrant tones. So I'm going to start working on those next, as they are a major focal point for this glass drawing. When I'm drawing glass, I notice there's certain areas that need special attention, like the stem and the rim of the glass. This is where a really thin technical pencil would come in handy. And when you're doing glass, you'll find that there are very thin, minute lines and plays on light and dark and shade. It involves a lot of observation. So, not too bad, but I plan on doing a few more and challenge myself to doing more glass. Hope you enjoyed this short, quick sketch with me video. Wishing you much love. Peace.